Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
I think learning is a continuous process. Learning doesn't get over. So I'm still learning.
But any changes you need to make in your department?
So as I said, I'm still learning. Give me time. I have suggested certain changes. Officers have also suggested certain changes. So we are in the process of reviewing the present system. As they say, new broom sweep clean. So I am one of the new brooms trying to sweep clean.
So
let's see where we reach.
So earlier brooms were not working well.
No, I'm not saying they were not working well. But daily things are improving. Daily, for example, there are new gadgets coming into place. I was trying. They want. They are seeking faster scanners, so they can scan the sub-registers, so that they can scan the documents, the sale deeds, the deeds of assignment, wills, etc., etc. So they want faster scanners, which we will definitely provide.